It's actually legal to fly your drone at night, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know in this video. Let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Anthony and welcome to Ant's Drone. And in today's video, I'm gonna go over everything you need to know regarding flying your drone at night with your Part 107 license. As the owner of a media business who also flies a drone, I have been asked by several clients to fly at night. Before, you would need to go through a waiver process in order to get permission from the FAA to operate your drone 30 minutes past sunset. Well, now that is all in the past, and you now have the ability with your 107 license to fly responsibly at night. Number one, plan your flight out. Know where you're gonna fly, go there during the day, and maybe scope out the area to make sure that you're aware of the different obstacles and things that you may not see when it's dark. If you can't physically do this because it's too far away and you're driving there at a later time, you can go onto Google Maps or Apple Maps and look at the area briefly to kind of get an idea of where you're flying. Number two, you need anti-collision lights. Now, the lights that flash on your drone are not adequate enough for flying at night. You need special anti-collision lighting, which is sold on Amazon for literally $10. I bought one on Amazon that charges through USB-C, and it's got a couple of different modes to it that flash red, green. There's one solid white mode for white light, but be careful looking at it when you turn it on because the lights are so bright. It like literally blinded me and gave me a headache. So I just wanted to say that these are definitely brighter lights than what come on your drone. Oftentimes, since they charge separately and don't rely on the drone's power, they connect to the top through adhesive or through Velcro. Another thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure where you're taking off and landing, there's at least some light available so that you're able to see when you land and take off. If you're standing in the pitch black, it's gonna be a lot harder to land the drone, so make sure there's a well-lit area for you to land and take off. So now that we got that out of the way, you're gonna wanna check the airspace. If the airspace is open and you're able to fly there and there's no restrictions or airports nearby, then you should be good to go. If you are near an airport or near a no-fly zone, you definitely want to make sure of that, and you want to get the proper permission as you would during daylight. I personally have been using the app OpenSky. OpenSky is a great app to check airspace, and it just makes the whole entire process of getting link approval very easy. So definitely make sure to check out OpenSky on the App Store. And by the way, I'm not being paid to say any of this. I just genuinely like their app. Definitely, if you have any more questions, leave a question in the comment section below. And also, if you have any videos or questions that you want me to answer in a video, definitely let me know. I would create that and answer those questions for you. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.